Hello friends, today we are discussing on the topic is wrapper classes in Java. Let's start. The wrapper classes in Java provides the mechanism to convert primitive into object and object into primitive. Since J2SE 5.5, autoboxing and unboxing features converting primitive into objects and object into primitive automatically. The automatic conversion of primitive into an object is known as autoboxing and vice versa unboxing. We discussing on the use of wrapping classes in Java. So let's start. Java is an object-oriented programming language. So we need to deal with objects many times like collection, serialization, synchronization, etc. Let us see the difference series where we need to use the wrapper classes. So first point is change the value in methods. So why change the value in methods? So let's Java supports only call by values. So if you pass the primitive values, it will not change the original value. But if we convert the primitive values in an object, so it will change the original value. So next is the serialization. Why serialization? So we need to convert the objects into strings to perform the serialization. If we have two primitive value, we can convert into objects through the wrapper classes. So next part is why we use to synchronization. The synchronization Java synchronizations work with objects in a multi-thread. So next point is what we use java.until package. The java.until package provides the utility classes to deal with objects. So next topic is collection frameworks. The Java collection frameworks works with objects. Only all classes of the collection frameworks like array list, linked list, vectors, hash set, linked hash set, tree set, priorities, quiz, array quiz, etc. deal with objects only. The 8 classes of the Java language packages are as wrapper classes in Java. The list of the 8 wrapper classes is linked. So primitive data types. So primitive data types first letter start with the small letters like Boolean. So first B is a small, but wrapper classes is a Boolean, but first letter is a capital. Like that, everything like that. Character is here only primitive data. Char is there, but in Boolean, in wrapper class, character overall word is there. So in primitive, byte is there, and the wrapper is B is capital is there. Like that, same others are there. So we are discussing on the unboxing, autoboxing. The autoboxing conversion of primitive data types into its corresponding wrapper classes is known as autoboxing. For example, byte to byte. Small letter to first capital letter of the wrapper class is byte. Character to character, character to character. Int to integer, long to long, float to float, boolean to boolean, and the double to double, and short to short, like that. Since Java 5, we do not need to use the value of method of wrapper classes to convert the primitive into object. Thank you.